everyone. So in this video we will quickly revise some very important name reaction of organic chemistry. So we will focus on the starting material, reagent, product and trick and important intermediates. So these reactions are very useful for exams, interviews and organic synthesis. So let's start. Aldol condensation. So in aldol condensation, aldehyde or ketones having alpha hydrogen react in the presence of a dilute NaOH or KOH. The product formed is beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, which on heating gives an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So we can remember this one like alcohol plus aldehyde gives aldol. And here key intermediate is the enolate ion. Next reaction is benzoin condensation. So here aromatic aldehydes without alpha hydrogen react in the presence of cyanide ion or KCN. The product is an alpha hydroxy ketone called benzoin. So here we can remember this one like benzoin has both OH and ketone together. Here intermediate is cyanohydrin. Next is Cannizzaro reaction. Here aldehyde without alpha hydrogen react with the concentrated NaOH or KOH. One molecule gets oxidized and another gets reduced. So product formed are alcohol and carboxylic acid salt. So here we can memorize like one oxidized and one reduced. And here is important step is hydride transfer. Next is the Perkin reaction. Here an aromatic aldehyde react with the acid anhydride. The starting material is aromatic aldehyde and acid anhydride. And in the presence of sodium salt of acid, the product is alpha beta unsaturated acid. And intermediate is the carbanion and we can also say enolate. Next is the Staub reaction. So here ester react with the succinic acid ester in the presence of strong base like sodium ethoxide. Product formed is substituted succinic acid derivatives. So trick is Staub always uses succinic ester and here is the intermediate is ester enolate. Next Dickmann reaction, Dickmann condensation. So this is an intramolecular Claisen condensation of diesters. So here reagent is the sodium ethoxide and product form is cyclic beta ketoester. Trick is Dickmann equals intramolecular Claisen and here is the cyclic enolate formation as an intermediate. Next is the pinnacle rearrangement. So here vicinal diols react in acidic medium and rearrange to ketones. So here is the product is the main product is the ketone and starting material is the vicinal diol and important intermediate is the carbocation shift. Next is the Wegener-Merwin rearrangement. So here alcohol or alkyl compounds rearrange in acidic medium through carbocation rearrangement and here is the intermediate is the carbocation and starting material is the alcohol and alkyl compound and catalyst is acid. Next is the Hofmann rearrangement. So here amide react with the bromine and NaOH and the product form is primary amine with the one carbon less. So important intermediate for Hofmann is isocyanide. Next is the Smith rearrangement. So here carboxylic acid or ketone react with hydroxoic acid and product forms are amine or amides. Here intermediate is the acyl azide. Next is the Lawson rearrangement. So here hydroxamic acid on heating gives isocyanide and further it forms amines. Next is the Curtius reaction. So Curtius rearrangement here starting material is acyl azide and this one is on heating rearrange and rearranged to isocyanate, and here this one is a very important rearrangement in synthesis. So after rearrangement, isocyanate form the amines. Next is the Beckmann rearrangement. So here oxymes react in acidic medium and convert into the amides or lactams. So in Beckmann rearrangement, remember oxymes is converted into the amide, and intermediate is the nitroleum ion. In Fry's rearrangement, phenyl ester react with the aluminium chloride, and the acyl group is shift to ortho or para position, and product formed are hydroxy ketones. And intermediate is the acylium ion. Next is the Wittig reaction. So in Wittig reaction, next is the Baeyer-Williger reaction. So in Baeyer-Williger reactions, ketones react with the per acid like acid, and forms esters or lactone. So an oxygen insert beside the carbonyl and to form ester or lactone. Next is the Wittig reaction. So here starting material is aldehyde or ketone. It react with the phosphonium ylide, and product form is the alkene. So here we can remember this one, Wittig makes carbon-carbon double bond, and here is the intermediate is the ylide. Next reaction is reformatisky reaction. So here alpha haloester plus aldehyde ketone. So these are the starting material for this reaction. So alpha haloester plus aldehyde or ketone in presence of zinc. Product form is beta hydroxy ester.